Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unbagging our IPSY Glam Bag Plus. This is the first one for 2023. Okay, now for those of you who are not familiar with IPSY, I will leave all the information down below so that you will be ready with it should you decide you would like to try the box or bag out for yourself. Okay, so let's just check it out and see what's inside. Okay, well, first of all, I did take everything out of the bag so it would make it a little bit easier for me to show you. But this is our Glam Bag Plus for the month of January. Okay, I do love these lavender flowers that are here. I love this color purple that's mixed in. Okay, and this is what our products came in. All right, so let's keep going. The very first item that we have is kombucha cleansing treatment with prebiotic inulin. All right, and this is by Fresh. Okay, this is a cleansing water, and it says for days when you want to treat your skin with minimal effort, this nourishing no rinse cleansing essence is your solution. Okay, now it says it helps to sweep away makeup, dirt, pollution, and impurities from the surface of your skin while helping to feed your skin's natural defense system with skin balancing prebiotic inulin. Okay, now we're going to open it up and see what the product itself looks like. Okay, a nice, clean, refreshing looking bottle. And it says that this is a 6.7 fluid ounce size. All right, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for this item is $44. Okay, it said it is powered by kombucha, which I really need to find out exactly what that is. Okay, but it says it is powered by kombucha, fermented black tea. The lightweight liquid traps and sweeps away damaging pollutants, impurities, and makeup. Okay, now I'm trying to see what the expiration date on this one will be. Okay, it says that from the time that it is open, it has a 6-month shelf life. Okay. Alrighty then. This is pretty interesting. I don't want to open it yet as much as I want to smell it, but I'll have to wait because it's only a 6-month shelf life. Okay. So that is item number 1. And the next item that we have is by Fluorine B. And this is Nectar of the Sea Vitamin C Serum. Okay, how about that? All right, and this is what the inside packaging looks like. It is a 1 fluid ounce size, and it says it's for brightening, and it is 10% vitamin C. All right, and it tells us that it is a cruelty-free, sustainably made, and a 100% vegan product. There are no parabens, sulfates, artificial fragrances, and 1,300 plus other nasties. Okay, that's what it says. All right, now it does say every purchase of this product helps provide menstrual care and education to girls in need, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for this item is $46. All right, and This one has a 12-month shelf life. How about that? Nectar of the Sea. All right, and it says on the box and the bottle that it has 11 nourishing actives. Would you like to know what they are? It says vitamin C, jojoba oil, aloe vera, vitamin B, hyaluronic acid, glycerin, grapeseed oil, vitamin E, safflower oil, squalene, and pink grapefruit oil. And it says this citrusy smooth serum will give you brighter glowing skin, diminishing the look of dark spots and wrinkles. Okay, that's a lot of good information, I might add. All right, so that is item number 2. And the next item that we have is by the company Pearlise, and it says this is the Perfect Glow BB Concealer. And it's this product right here. Okay, and this is what the inside packaging looks like. All right, and it says that this is a 0.34 fluid ounce size. And it says that this actually brightens and blurs your complexion to perfection. With help from this glowy concealer, it blends seamlessly to a flawless second skin finish while affecting weightless hydration. Okay, now the shade that I have is called Deep, and it says it is weightless, hydrating, and skin perfecting. It softens and evens under eye areas, and it helps conceal fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, and blemishes. Okay, so what do you think? I think this is probably the first time I've actually seen a Pearlise concealer. I've seen the BB creams. I've seen, skin glows and even the cleansers. But I think this is probably the first time that I've ever seen a BB concealer. All right. The only challenge that I am having is I do not see an expiration date. No, I do not. I'm not so sure I'm a fan of that. Okay, my apologies, but I do not see an expiration date on here, or a shelf life for that matter. Wow. Okay, well, we're going to go ahead and move right along. That is item number 3. Okay, now let's move right along to the next one. Alrighty, and the next item that we have is by Keys Soul Care, and this is the Nourishing Cleansing Balm. All right, and this is what the outer packaging looks like, which I find to be extremely nice looking. Okay, I like this dark minimalist box. It says you can start over at any time. All right, and this is what the inside packaging looks like. All right, and this is a 2.82 ounce size, and it says it has bamboo charcoal plus shea butter inside. And it says clean and nourish your skin with this cleansing balm that helps remove makeup and impurities all in one step. Okay, very interesting. All right, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for this item is $30. This is a really big jar for $30. I am extremely pleased with that. Okay, now I'm currently working on something. You will be seeing it in the next couple of days that I am also excited to show you. And this one has a 6-month shelf life. Okay, now the other thing is this is a cruelty-free item and it is dermatologist tested. Love it, love it, love it. This is item number 4 and we're down to the last one. All right, and the last item that we have is by Mishko Beauty, and it's this one right here, and this is the eyeshadow palette in Magnifique. Okay, the inside packaging looks just like the outside, front and back. Okay, all right, now this is, as I stated, an eyeshadow palette. There is no mirror attached, but it does have a magnetic seal on it, 9.6 gram size. And it says, meet your new everyday eyeshadow palette, which features 8 silky matte and metallic finishes that easily take you from your office desk to the happy hour get together afterwards. The manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $40. Okay, I really do like the shades that are here. They can actually be used for a day to night look. Shall we swatch? I think we shall. All right. Okay, now these are the 3 shades that I swatched. And let's just go ahead and see what they look like on the skin. Okay, and this is what it looks like. You know, I think we may need to kind of build it up a little bit because you can't really tell. So that's the first swatch that I showed you. Much better. Okay, and this is after the second swatch. So this one is building it up by 2. Okay, so what do you think? All right, well, what are your thoughts about this month's IPSY? Okay, I really do kind of like it when you have a go-to palette that you can throw in your bag. I do have one, but that one is a quad. So I do definitely like that. Now, we did receive plenty of skincare, from the cleanser to, of course, our cleansing treatment and our skincare with our vitamin C. And then we have our concealer and our eyeshadow palette. So what do you think? Did you get your IPSY already? What did you get in yours? Why don't you let me know down below, okay? Well, how about that? I just would like to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our IPSY Glam Bag Plus for the month of January, the very first one of 2023. These are the items that were included. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was enclosed. Okay, well, I just want to tell you, well, while you're down there leaving me a message, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then hit the notifications bell so you'll know each and every time a new video is uploaded, okay? Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.